Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
And I cannot wait to show you this new addition to my home. These outdoor side tables from LGENHOOM. When these tables arrived, I couldn't believe the detail they had. They feature a unique hand-woven design that is really beautiful, and I feel it fits perfectly in the home or outside on your patio. The construction of these tables is very sturdy. The material is water hyacinth, supported by a metal frame. They can easily hold anything I need to put on a side table, and they don't shake or wobble. I love that these tables are incredibly versatile. They can be used outside or even inside for decor and functionality. You can simply use them as a side table to rest your feet or even as a decorative piece to place a plant. They have endless opportunities. The pack comes with two tables. One is 19.7 inches high and the other one is 17.3 inches high. Both are a perfect height next to your chair or couch. If you're looking for a simple yet elegant farmhouse style side table, then I would suggest checking out this outdoor side table set from LGENHOOM.
And that's my point of view.